tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now, welcome to my Refreshing for a Silver Winter tour. And guys, I am so excited. Guess what? We got some snow. Yes, so we finally got some snow, so I don't have to go to work. I'm off, okay, with pay. All right. So anyway, I'm excited about that. I have not been outside, but hey, it's cold. My husband said it's cold, and just by looking at the weather, it is cold. But the snow is so nice, so I need to probably take some pictures of it just for memories, okay? Okay, so this video is already in progress, and I am doing my living room in silver, this time mostly silver, and I'm going to refresh everything. I have already wiped down everything, cleaning, and this is what I'm going to do. I have already taken down a lot of stuff off of my shelves on my LED display shelf. And guys, I'm going to come back to you and just give you something all silver, okay? We're going to do some silver discs on this video. Alright, so just sit back and relax, and I'm not going to do much talking, and I will come back later on in the video and show you what I have done. Okay, let's get back to music. so let's start right here. You guys are done listening to music for right now, and I'm going to show you what I have put together for you guys. Okay, these stems here, I picked these up from Burlington. They was like $7.99, and these vases, I decided to go with these vases because they are silver and they are elegant, so I like elegant, okay? And these vases here, I picked these up from Ross for $14.99 each, and I DIY'd that little vase that sitting on that box, and that box, a gift came in it for Christmas, but I didn't want to throw it away because I thought it was neat that I can use. Okay, so I still have some of my ornaments out, the smaller ones, so I'll be using those all year probably. And this tray here came from Home Goods for $16.99, and those vases came from Ross. Okay, I'm sorry, those candle holders came from Burlington. Okay, these candle holders here, they came from Ashley Furniture. The tall one is $24.99. The mid height is $22.99, and the shorter one is $20.99. And there's my little tick-tock. And this vase here, guys, came from Burlington. It's elegant, and these stems came from Burlington as well. It was like $7.99 for a pack, okay? Alright, so we are moving right along, so let's go over here to this LED display shelf. I didn't put much on it, so I just went through the house and found my silver. I shopped my home because it's too cold to go out right now. And these pieces here, this is my decor ball that I keep year round. And right here is my onion stems that I put in my vase that I picked up from Home Goods for $4.99. And this spot here, that book is DIY, and also that candle holder is DIY. That's just an ornament right there. And my little plant came from Dollar General, and here's a Five Below little plant there. And I'm getting ready to move that plaque sometime soon, okay? And so I changed up my couch. I'm using the flat pillows this time, so the silver flat pillows. Picked those up from Burlington, and this pillow here came from Burlington as well for $14.99. And so I removed the throw from my couch for right now, but I'll be putting another throw on probably the next video. Okay, in this area here, pretty well much the same thing. Yes, and that little bouquet came from Burlington. Here's another DIY that I did with the onion stems in it. And here is a book DIY, and also the candle holder DIY. Okay, and this little plant, guys, I love my little tiny plants. They are perfect for my display shelf. And here's one of my DIY. I took this burgundy vase and I spray painted it silver. Okay, and these flower here came from Dollar General. Forgot how much I paid for them, okay? And here I'm using some more ornaments, and here's my candle and just a little piece of jewelry that I used to just accent that little area right there. And let's go to this side right here. This flower here came from Burlington for, I think it was like $9.99. And of course I DIY'd another vase, and that little deco ball there. I'm using that year round as well. Going to the bottom, here are my crystal candle, my pillow holder, okay? And I picked these up from, I think, Ashley as well. Gosh, yes, I think those were Ashley. Okay, so here is a full view of the living room. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had fun putting this video together. And if you are not part of the Precious family, I hope that you will consider becoming a part of the Precious family. I will be uploading some more videos and I hope that you will join me. So just click on the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and hit the notification bell, and that way you will be notified each time when I upload another video. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.